So in this lesson we're going to look at expanding or multiplying out double brackets. So a double bracket looks like this, and you have to multiply every term in the first bracket by every term in the second bracket. This means there is actually going to be 4 different things in our answer. We're going to work out what x times x is, what x times 3 is, what 2 times x is, and 2 times 3 is. Now to help us do this, we're going to use a table, and we're going to write one of the brackets along the top and then one of the brackets along the side, and this table will work like an old-fashioned multiplication grid, and our answer is going to appear in the middle of the grid. So x times x is x squared, 2 times x is 2x, 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 2 is 6. So our answer could be written as x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. But you may well recognize that this is not going to be our final answer, because these 2 middle terms could be collected together. If you remember our first lesson on this unit, you can collect together certain terms. So we could rewrite this as x squared, and that 2x and 3x can be added together to make 5x plus that 6. Okay, let's try that again. This time we've got a negative number to deal with, but it's no different in principle to the previous example. So we're going to have x minus 6 and x plus 2. So x times x is x squared. X times minus 6 is minus 6x. X times 2 is 2x, and 2 times minus 6 is minus 12. Now that gives us an answer of x squared minus 6x plus 2x minus 12, and again we can simplify that line so that it becomes x squared minus 4x minus 12. Okay, one more similar example, this time x plus 2 and x minus 7. So we're going to write out x plus 2 and x minus 7 on the sides of our grid. X times x is x squared, x times 2 is 2x, x times minus 7 is minus 7x, and minus 7 times 2 is minus 14. We'll save some time this one and recognize straight away they can be added together. So we're going to have x squared. The middle term will be minus 5x and a minus 14. So that's the answer there. Now in this last question we're going to have a few more things to deal with. This one looks a little more complicated, but the principle is exactly the same again. 3x and a plus 4, 2x and a minus 3. So here we go. So 2x times 3x is 6. Don't forget x squared. 2x times 4 is 8x. 3x times minus 3 is minus 9x. Minus 3 times 4 is minus 12. And again, these two are of similar type, so can be added together. We're going to have a 6x squared with a minus x and a minus 12. And that's the final answer there. That's all you need to access the next exercise. Good luck.